Alright, hey YouTube, I'm going to show you how to make a airsoft grenade out of a Easter egg. So you need an Easter egg, BBs, a lighter, firecrackers, and a drill if your Easter eggs do not already have the holes inside of them. So what you're going to do is you get your Easter egg, and it has a little clip that holds it together. You just twist it off. You need to drill a hole in to put your fuse through. And when you put the firecracker, you need to have the longest fuse. So you have the ones with the longest fuse. Alright, so you just pick it up like that. I'll show you. Alright, so for this one,
make imaginary guns while playing cops and robbers during recess. Another child was suspended earlier this month for pretending to fire an imaginary gun more than once.
Alright, whatever.
The school reversed its decision.
So you take your container of BBs, or 4 bunch of BBs inside of it. Have it straight. And you can look up how to make I'll make a video on how to make a trap type deal for your BBs, so you don't have them flying all over the place, like an indoor shootable trap target deal type thing. I will make a video on that, and what you can do is save all your BBs. Make one that has your BBs, that when you shoot, it holds your BBs or whatever, and you can just take the BBs and pull them inside a container like this, or empty airsoft BB containers. That's more 0.20 grams. So I have BBs inside of that one from my target trips and stuff, and inside of here too. Alright, so once you do that, it's going to be simple. So you're going to try not to spill and make sure your fuse is still out. And put it together like this. Run the notch. Do it real fast. And on your first one, you will drop. Alright, there you go. Alright, so make sure it's together. Tape. Tape. Inside the crevice. Put tape over it. Alright, you can just put as many rounds of tape as you want to over it. And I'm not really sure I'm pretty sure that fields would not allow these grenades, but your field may be different, so but these are good for backyard airsoft games, or if you made your own field or whatever. And if they're not really concerned where you're at, not really concerned about noise, because they're not. If you get the grenade filled up all the way, or if you get the egg filled up all the way with BBs, they're not as loud, but they are powerful. But they're not as loud. So yeah. Alright, but so here it is. I wrapped it up in lots and lots of tape. And I made just these other ones right here in just a couple of minutes. All it takes is like a few minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, and you can have one made, depending on how you make them. But that's it. Different 18 out. Watch my other videos.